everybody, Belinda here. Today I'm using my own bloom recipe, although I'm doing a swipe. So I've gone ahead and laid down the paint, the white paint. This is a 12 by 16 inch canvas, and I'm just going to put down a little layer of my white bloom recipe. So I don't need too much because you know, I've already put down white. And here I have it's called medium yellow by B.A.D. And I have also by B.A.D. is blue, which I can't pronounce. It's pretty much fado blue. I think that's how you pronounce it, fado blue. I think everybody has their own pronunciations. Then I have some beautiful fluorescent pink. So I think I'm going to just put this here. So I will link my recipe, the video, in the comments field. Looks like a hot mess. And this is also fado blue. I have added white to lighten it. Righty-ho. Now I'm going to add fluorescent orange. That will be my swipe color. So I'm just making sure I've got enough to go on both sides. Right, let's go. So these are cards that actually, you know, they come with the canvas. Oh, these colors are beautiful. So I will have to touch up the sides here after. Okay, I'm going to turn this around. I know some of you have been asking for more swipes, so hope you're loving this, guys. Okay. Okay, let's give this a torch. I do love that orange is the way it is. Right guys, I think I'm going to use my big torch. I'm just you know, I'd like more cells to come up. I don't think the other torch is powerful enough. Okay guys, I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Hi guys, this is it. I'm really liking these cells. The colours of these cells are amazing. Hopefully you can see that there with all of the rings of colours. It really is beautiful. And this orange here, I'm hoping that it is showing. It's pretty bright. And isn't it strange how I got all those white ones, but there's colours in the centre and an outer ring of colours as well. Isn't that unusual? It's all kind of looks white, but yes, it has various colours. Please excuse the studio light, it is pretty dark in here, and yeah, you know, if I don't have it on, you're not going to see much. Yeah, it's a little odd that these are all the colourful ones and those are all the white. And looky there, that's Homer Simpson. That's hilarious. Alright guys, this little orange one sitting over here, it's like a perfect pearl with like a dot of yellow. It really actually looks great. Okay guys, if you're interested in any of my artwork to purchase, please contact me on withbade@gmail.com. And I hope you're all keeping well, and thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.